Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are staying home and staying safe. The boys have been stuck at home for quite some time, and although they're trying to keep themselves busy, they do get bored at times. So I thought I'll make them a board game, the typical snake and ladder game, but with a little twist. So let's get started. For this, I have taken this board from an organizer that was broken, which I actually showed in my previous video. You can check that out. I'll link it in the description. And I have a scale. This actually becomes a full-length scale. And I have my pencil to mark it out. So I'm going to make 10 by 10. So they're going to be 10 boxes either way, so that you can count from 1 to 100. Now that I've drawn the outline, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I need to finish off here. So I'll have 10 rows and 10 columns. Now that the outline is drawn, I'm going to number it up from 1 to 100. You can either use a sketch pen or you can use a marker that will be more bold. I have realized that I made a mistake. It actually should start from 1, go to 10, and 11 comes here and goes to reverse, 20 comes here, 21 comes here and goes like this. And so I'm going to see how I can make it up. Okay, now that I've written from 1 to 100 and tried to somewhat rectify this mistake, I'm going to draw my snakes and my ladders. This part is up to you. You can draw it wherever you like, or you can also see a free printable online and see a picture for inspiration and copy the same thing. Now that I've drawn the ladders, next I'm going to draw the snakes. I'm going to use colorful sketch pen to draw the snakes. My first snake is going to be the biggest one. So let's start from 97 and it goes way down to 97 to 29. This is the eye of the snake. Honestly, I have no idea how to draw a snake. So hopefully you guys will be better at it. Okay, now that I've added the snakes and the ladders, you can actually stop here and start playing the game, or I'm going to give it a small twist by adding few tasks in some of the boxes to make it more interesting. And that's it. I couldn't think of a lot of tasks to give them, so as and when I can think of something, I'm gonna give it to them. As of now, I've just given sing a song, jump like a frog, count 1 to 10 backwards, tell days of the week, tell a verse and climb, sing an action song, tell a rhyme. As and when I can think of something fun, I'll write it down. The next thing is we need a dice for the game, and I don't have a dice, so I'm going to try making one. I've taken this rough cardboard. I'm going to cut it down the center, and let's see. And I've taken one of the strips and cut them into 6 pieces, and I'm going to tape them up. I'm laying 4 pieces on this tape. These are going to be the 4 sides. Now that I've got the 4 sides, I want to take another piece and I'm going to do the same thing for the top. Now that your dice is ready, I'm going to mark on it. Your DIY dice is ready. I marked it with a marker. You can also use number stickers. Ta-da! Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Stay home and stay safe, people. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Count 1 to 10 backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. 1, 2. Continue. Continue. 1. Very good. Play again. 3.
3 வரக்கூடாது.
வரலாம். 1, 2, 3. Very good.